Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, welcome back to Love Distance. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shante. Um, Daryl is not here with me. Daryl is my boyfriend. Yeah. So if you watch other videos, you'll see him in it. Well, today's just me. Anyway, please like, share, subscribe if you are not already, and comment down below. You guys can give us ideas and what other videos you'd like to see us do. Yeah, in today's video, I'll be doing, I'll be showing you guys this thing I got. I want to be, want to be a review. I'll be showing you guys this thing I got to help me with my YouTube videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. So I got my ring light. Get my ring light. Hey guys, so I got a ring light. I got it from K Sats Royal and Unique Occasions on Instagram. I'll put the link down below. So yeah, watch as I open it. Well, assemble it. Okay, so I'm trying to open. I think this is the foot, the leg, the stand. Yeah, the stand. So this is the stand. And yeah. Okay. I'm excited, as you can see my face. Okay, so this is me trying to figure out how it's okay. See, yeah, I got it. Okay, yeah, okay, I got that part down. Now for the rest of it, I don't. Yeah, as you can see, I was confused for a minute, but I'll figure it out. That's the stand. Yeah, cool, nice. So I'm going for the ring light now. This is the light. Yeah. So this is the light. It comes with the plug. Plug is attached to it. I'm trying to figure out which piece is supposed to go where. Oh my gosh. Okay, and this didn't come with any instructions, so yeah, I was just, going based off what the box looked like. Yeah. So that's where the phone goes on. The phone stand. It came with 3 of them, but I'm only using 1. As you can see, I'm trying to figure out how to put it together. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna extend it. Yeah, I'm not sure how tall it is, but it extends taller than me, and I'm 5'3", so I think it's like maybe 6 feet. Okay, so I'm still trying to figure out how to put this the ring light onto the stand. So yeah, I figured this part is supposed to screw on to the ring light itself, and then that part would go on the stand. Let's see how this works out. I'm not sure, but follow me, guys. Alright, I got it on. Alright. So now I'm confused because, wait. Oh. Yeah. I didn't know that part was supposed to be come off, but you know. Trial and error. Trial and error. Yeah, so now I'm going to attach the ring light to the stand. As I said, guys, trial and error, like, we just did that, you know? We just did that try thing. I'm taking forever to screw on. I think I got it. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, alright. Okay. I think it's good now. Cool. Yeah, lovely. Great. Okay, so yeah, this trying to adjust the ring light itself. Yeah, I think I got it. It's still slack. But yeah, as I said, see, it came off. So yep, trial and error, people. Trial and error. I'm trying to, you know, yeah. As I said, I never get no instructions, and even if I did, I doubt I would have read them. But yeah, note, read instructions when you get them, or YouTube it. So I think I got it now. Cool. So, yep, yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna put one of the phone stands in the middle. Yeah, that part can adjust, can bend. Yeah, cool, nice. And then this is the part that holds the phone. Cool, got it on. Talk to me, people. Talk to me. Do well without no instruction, don't it? To do well. So it can bend forward and turn side to side. I'm gonna put the phone on it now. This is vertical. You can either have the phone vertical like that, or okay, arrow, the ring light fall off, but yeah, horizontal, yeah, vertical. Cool, nice. So the ring light fall off, like, I don't know what I did, but you know, you'll figure it out hopefully very soon. Yeah, hopefully yeah, hopefully, guys, I figured it out carefully. So yeah, I think, yeah, I don't know if the phone was too heavy or what, but I think I got it now. Yeah, I think I got it. And that's the part, that's the wire, the cord to plug it in to turn on the light. Yep, and that's it, and there it is. It has 3 colors. Yeah, you can get brighter, you can dim it down, depends on how you want it. Yeah, all right, cool. I want to insert a picture of when I have it on and when I don't have it on. Yep. Yeah. That's cool. Nice. Here's a closer look at the different colors. Yeah. This is how it looks in the night. This is how tall it is. I'm assuming it's 6 feet because it was taller than me. So yeah, this is how it looks in the night. It's very bright. It lit up my whole room. So yeah. So guys, video can do anytime. When we're in a fall, sun shine, in the dark. Yeah, talk about it. And this is the switch, can go on, off. That's off. You can see dark, on. Yeah. Cool.